Good day, everyone. um, Today I just want to show you the materials that we usually need for a pipe laying, for an electrical pipe laying. You can see that this building now we are actually laying the pipe. You can see all the pipe that we'll be laying all over all these places. So I just want to explain to you briefly the materials, the equipment that you need for electrical pipe laying. So number one on my list is this is a 13 amps rubber box. This is a rubber box, as you can see it right here. So let me unbox it for you. Okay. So some people call it 3x3 box, as you can see it right here. So it's a knockout box. It's a knockout box like this. So this is the whole thing. And mainly it is used just for sockets. So that's the same thing right here. A socket, so the pipes will enter this way. And do something like this, it goes up like this also. So that's number one. Then number two is 3x6. 3x6. It's actually double of the 3x3. So you can see it right there. So double of the first one. So and it's mainly used for socket. It's a socket, something like this. Something like this. You see, so the pipe will enter. So it goes up. So that's what. Number three, we have a 3x6 cooker box. It's mainly used in kitchen. It's actually a melter. It's actually a melter. It's mainly used for kitchen utensils, for cooker in the kitchen and stuff like that. Then this is a drop box, the 3x6, 6x6 drop box. 6x6 drop box. So mainly use it just for when we have many pipes. Like many pipes, you see that they have different, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pipes coming from up, coming behind, then coming from that. So just to use that drop box. Then number 4, we have the couplers. We have different type of couplers. This is let me just join so that you can see it. This is a 20 mm pipe. So mainly used to join. So you use it in different things all over here. So then we also have 25 mm coupler. The 25 mm coupler. So it's mainly used for 25 mm pipe. So let me cut so you can see it. So joins it, so you can see it. Then after that, you need your subblade also. You need your subblade, and this is a coupler. The 10 mm I showed you the other time. So this is a whole, like this is a pack of it. So then we have U-box. This is a 20 mm U-box. So it's mainly used for one bracket like this. Then so those are the main. Then you need your hammer to just to break the walls like this. So that's what the hammer is being used for. So you need your pipe. This is actually a 20 mm pipe. You can see it right here. This is 25 mm. So mainly used for socket, as you can see it right here. Mainly used for socket. So that's all what we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.